Hello, my dear students of class 11, those who have taken biology. For them, I am saying you are a bit confused about the change or the deletion of the syllabus by the board in this academic year 2020-21. As for the first time, you are learning in a broad way of all these subjects of science like chemistry, physics, biology, mathematics, or even home science and physical education, those who have taken. So, for them, I am telling that. Your biology syllabus, okay, some of the parts are deleted from the syllabus, okay, from various units by the board for this academic year 2021, because you know whatever is going on throughout the world, this pandemic. For that, to lessen the burden of the students, the board has decided this. So let me make it in a simplified way to make you understand what has been included and what has been deleted from the entire syllabus. So let's have a look. So the first, let me tell you about the units. Okay, now in class 11 biology you have 5 units, unit 1 to 5. So unit 1, this is called diversity of living organisms. In this unit you have chapter number 1, the living world, chapter number 2, biological classification, chapter 3, plant kingdom, and chapter 4, animal kingdom. You see, out of these 4 chapters from this unit 1, okay, now the chapter number 1, that is the, you see, the living world, this has been entirely deleted. Next come the chapter 3, that is the plant kingdom. From this chapter the entire part is not deleted, but some parts are deleted. Like in chapter 3 you have salient features and classification of plants into major groups: algae, bryophyta, pteridophyta, gymnosperm, angiosperm. Okay, now this from this part the eliminated parts are angiospermy, that is angiosperms, classification up to class, and characteristic features with examples. So angiosperm, this part is deleted, not the entire chapter. Next come the under unit 2. Under unit 2, structural organization in animals and plants. From this part you have actually chapter 5, 6, 7. So you see from chapter 5, morphology of flowering plant, the morphology and modifications, morphology of different parts of the flowering plant, that is root, stem, leaf, fruit and seed, these things are deleted. Okay, next come the description of the families. So here Fabaceae family is deleted. Okay, next come the chapter 6, anatomy of flowering plant. From this anatomy and function of different tissue systems in dicot and monocot, and secondary growth, these parts are deleted. And chapter 7, that is the structural organization in animals. Here the morphology, anatomy of different functions of the various systems like digestive, circulatory, respiratory, nervous, and the structure of insect in brief account only. The entire chapter has been deleted. Okay, nothing is left from this chapter. So next come the unit 4, plant physiology. So unit 4, plant physiology, here you see unit 3, that means unit 3 nothing has been deleted, so you have to learn the whole unit 3. Unit 4 you have unit 4 chapter number 11, 12, 13, 14, okay, and even 15. So chapter 11 to 15 is unit 4. From here chapter 11, that is transport in plant, okay, almost the entire chapter I can see it is deleted, like movement of water, gases and nutrients, like diffusion, facilitated diffusion. Okay, plant water relation, imbibition, water potential, osmosis, plasmolysis, so root pressure and everything, means everything entirely is deleted. Next come the mineral nutrition, this is also deleted. Next come the chapter number 15, you see. So chapter 13, 14 no changes. Chapter 15, plant growth and development, this is also a vital chapter indeed. From here seed germination, okay, phases of the plant growth, that means the entire chapter. Okay, plant hormone, this is not mentioned here. So up to phototropism, photoperiodism, seed dormancy, Okay, this is deleted but not discussed about the plant growth regulators. Okay, so only the parts like seed germination, phases of plant growth and plant growth rate, conditions of growth, differentiation, dedifferentiation, redifferentiation, and the sequence of development process in plant as seed dormancy. This is deleted. Plant growth regulators are not mentioned. Now come to the next unit, unit 5, that is human physiology. So in human physiology, if I have chapters from 16 to 22, so chapter 16, digestion and absorption, is entirely deleted. Chapter number 20, that is locomotion and movement. Okay, it is also deleted. I see the types of movement, skeletal system. Okay, next come the joints and disorders of the muscular system, skeletal system. These are totally deleted. And finally, chapter number 21, that is the neural control and coordination. So from here, reflex action, sensory perception, sense organ, elementary structure and function of ear and eye. So you see here in this chapter, neuron and nervous system of human, CNS, PNS, ANS. Okay, this is, I see this is not deleted. From the reflex action, it is deleted. So generation and conduction of nerve impulse up to this, this is intact. Okay. Next come from for the practical part, deleted portion of class 11 practicals. We have a lot more practical experiments that has been deleted this year. The list of experiments are description of family Fabaceae, like types of root, taproot, adventitious root, types of stem, herbaceous and woody, leaf arrangement, shape variation. This is deleted. Second practical activity, that is the preparation and study of DS of dicot and monocot root and stem, the primary. Okay, this is deleted. Study of osmosis by potato osmometer. This is deleted. Study of plasmolysis in epidermal peels, that we generally do with onion bulb or rio leaves or lily leaves. This is deleted. Comparative study of the rate of transpiration in the upper and lower surface of leaves. This is deleted. Test for the presence of starch. Okay, the biochemistry part. Sugar, protein and fat in suitable plant and animal material. It is deleted. Test for the presence of urea in urine is deleted, but the test for the sugar in urine is not deleted. Test for the presence of bile salt in urine is deleted. From urine part, two activities are deleted: urine and that is urea and bile salt. And spotting, from the spotting you see tissues and diversity in shapes and size of plant. So this permanent slides, these are deleted. There is parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma, xylem, phloem, palisade cell, guard cell. These are okay, temporary and permanent slide. We can study from both type of slide. This is deleted. Different modifications of root, stem and leaves, these are deleted. And different type of inflorescence, cymose and racemose, this is deleted. And finally, from the physiology part, human skeletal system and its different part of joint and okay, that we study generally by the model or the skeleton that is there in the lab. So these parts are deleted. I hope you got the idea about the changes made by the CBSE board in the class 11 biology syllabus for the academic year 2020-21. If you have any doubts regarding it, you can comment me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.